Are you a fresh graduate ready to kickstart your career with one of Pakistan's biggest government organizations? Hello everyone. Welcome back to your trusted channel for government job updates in Pakistan. Today, we re-talking about the WAPDA Internship Programme 2025, a golden opportunity for fresh graduates to gain professional experience, earn a monthly stipend, and build their future in Pakistan's leading energy organization. Program overview. WAPDA, the Water and Power Development Authority, has announced 50 internship seats for talented graduates across Pakistan. Eligibility criteria. To apply, you must be a Pakistani national, aged 26 years or below, have completed a bachelor's or master's degree with at least 2.8 CGPA, be a fresh graduate, students are not eligible, and belong to an HEC-recognized university, fields available. Internships are available in multiple disciplines, including electrical, mechanical, and civil engineering, finance, HR and admin, mass communication, and IT computer science. Locations and quota. This is a nationwide internship, with seats reserved for each province, including Punjab, Sindh, KPK, Balochistan, Gilgit-Baltistan, AJK, and Ex-FATA, ensuring fair opportunity for all. How to apply, step by step. Visit the official WAPDA online portal. Fill in your personal and academic details carefully. Upload all required documents: CNIC, domicile, photo, academic transcripts, CV, and, for engineers, police verification. Double-check everything and submit your form online. No courier or email submissions will be accepted. Remember to save your confirmation slip after submission. Deadline. The last date to apply is 27th October 2025, so don't wait till the last day. Late applications will not be accepted. Benefits. This internship not only pays you Rs 25,000 monthly, but also provides real-world experience, professional mentorship, and a completion certificate, a great addition to your CV. Closing. So, if you're a fresh graduate dreaming of a career in the government or energy sector, this is your moment. Apply before 27th of October 2025, and make sure to subscribe to this channel for more daily job updates across Pakistan. Good luck.